Did you know the idea behind Velcro's invention? George de Mestral, inventor of Velcro. In 1941, Swiss engineer George de Mestral went for a walk and came back with burrs stuck to his pants. Instead of just brushing them off, he looked closer under a microscope. He saw tiny hooks on the burrs, gripping the loops in his clothes, and thought, what if I could make a reusable fastener like that? After years of experimenting with nylon and heat, he created two strips, one with hooks, one with loops. Press them together, they stick. Pull them apart, they separate. He called it Velcro, from velour and crochet. At first, only astronauts and the military used it, but soon it was on clothes, shoes, and even blood pressure cuffs. Today, Velcro is everywhere, from your kid's backpack to the International Space Station. Big ideas often hide in small details. All thanks to a curious walk and a very stubborn burr.